Hello friends, welcome to my channel Floral Style. You're seeing designer design of sunflower freehand on dupatta. I do order works and I take online classes for professional courses. My details are in this video and below this video in description. For this sunflower I have taken golden yellow, lemon yellow, burnt sienna and burnt umber for the center of flower, and for leaves and stem I have taken sap green plus light green. I have used round brush number 8. You can use 8 or 6. I have painted full flowers, half flowers and buds in different angles on this dupatta. I have short and long courses, advanced and basic courses. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oregata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. And I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques of 65 pages, and it is in black and white with anatomy of flowers and techniques in painting. Those who are interested can join these courses, and those who are interested in buying book can order. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on freehand painting, flowers and different techniques in painting. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.